O divine source of all life, fountain of wisdom and eternal light, we come before you with hearts open and humble, seeking the stillness that rests beyond all storms. You who breathe galaxies into being and whisper softly into the silence of every soul. Hear our prayer this day, a prayer for peace, for love, and for the unity of all creation. Grant us peace, O Lord, not the fragile peace built on fear or silence, but the living peace born of understanding, that stills the trembling heart and reconciles the broken. Let peace begin within us, in the thoughts we nurture, in the words we speak, and in the choices we make each day. Teach us to still our racing minds and to listen deeply to the quiet voice of compassion that dwells within the chambers of the soul. May peace flow outward from our spirits, like rivers that find their way to the sea, touching every nation, every people, every life. Let it heal ancient wounds and soften hardened hearts, that enemies might look upon one another and see not foes, but fellow travelers on the path of human hope. Pour your divine love upon us, O infinite heart, that we may remember who we are, children of one Creator, mirrors of one radiant light. May your love rise in us like the dawn, dispelling shadows of judgment and pride. Let love be the breath we breathe, the rhythm of our days, the sacred fire that warms our homes and our world. Where hatred has taken root, sow seeds of forgiveness. Where anger has burned, let mercy fall like rain. Teach us to love not in words alone, but in acts of kindness that ask nothing in return. Unite us, O eternal Spirit, in the bond of sacred oneness. Though we are many, you are the thread that weaves us together. Different languages, one prayer. Different faiths, one hope. Different faces, one humanity. Let the walls of division crumble before the gentle strength of grace. May the earth become a temple of harmony, where all beings are welcome and all hearts are home. May our leaders be guided by wisdom, our nations governed by justice, and our people moved by compassion. Let the hungry be fed, the homeless sheltered, the oppressed set free, and the forgotten remembered. May we no longer live as strangers, but as stewards of one another's dreams. Let our differences not divide us, but deepen our understanding of the vast beauty of your creation. O Spirit of life, awaken within us the courage to be peacemakers in a world of conflict, healers in a time of hurt, and bridges where others see only boundaries. Help us to plant gardens of kindness in the barren soil of indifference, to sing songs of unity amid the noise of division, and to walk gently upon this sacred earth. We pray for peace in our homes, that love may dwell where discord has lingered. We pray for peace in our communities, that understanding may replace suspicion and fear. We pray for peace among nations, that swords may be reforged into plowshares, and the hearts of humankind be reconciled.